In this video, we're going to work a little bit more with place value. So sometimes you might get a problem that looks like this, where it says type the missing number. So 43 equals blank tens plus blank ones. So you need to figure out how many tens 43 has and how many ones 43 has. And you could record it here on this chart. So we know that 43 has 4 tens and then 3 ones. So we know 43 equals 4 tens plus 3 ones. So that's what 43 looks like. So to fill in this chart here, we just put in 4 tens and 3 ones. So that's the answer.